Come sit down by me, son. I'm gonna tell you a story. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
But like always, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. What the heck? On the road, next one.
I just went completely rogue. For other options that can make your life just
Let's go one more time.
What happened? My voice break?
No. It's a little too country, but.
For other options.
I think that one of the
music video or what?
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe.
Here at the how to start off.
Starting at the front.
Okay.
Awesome. We'll be here. Friday. We're kind of working.
It's big, it's green, and it's mean.
Dude, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Randall here, Diamond Scene. It's a hot mother lover out here.
Up and down, and you're in business. Gum it. I almost said it. I almost said it. That'd have been a blooper.
This week's fundamental is number 27, create success.
Celebrate success.
Celebrate success. Okay, let me start over.
Is a power up, power down KTI brand power unit. Power up, power down, power unit.
Same frame. She's long, she's strong.
What am I saying?
as a sibling, as a brother, sibling and brother are the same thing.
So whether you're a hot shotter, a farmer, maybe that last one was the best. He chose a 40-foot length and is starting with the 12-foot hydraulic dovetail. Almost.
Okay, you're looking like alfalfa with that. What's this here? Yeah.
It's because of the wind, man.
Yeah.
Hater.
Just pretend like you're on Snapchat. Yeah.
Okay, es que ahí estoy solo.
So whether you're a weekend wah.
3 popular options that this guy tried to go with. Went with.
It'll stop bleeding faster, trust me.
Hey guys, Hanks.
Follow us on all the major. Oh, man, I was headed there.
And together we love extraordinary.
What? So cheesy.
Oh, brother. Yeah.
I'm Mike Crabb, and I approve this message.